Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I am Hifsa and this is Copywriting with Hifsa. Before we jump into this topic, I want to say something important that this channel is for the beginner copywriter, the people who feel overwhelmed, confused, and when they watch expert copywriter and thinks that this is too much, I will never understand this. So I'm here sharing copywriting step by step from someone who is just a few steps ahead from you, learning and growing on the same journey. And because I know how it's feel when life feels stuck and people around you don't support your dream, and when learning new skill feels scary. Learning new skill like copywriting gives you independence, and independence gives you option. And copywriting is not easy, no skill is, but it is easier than staying stuck in a life that you don't want to. So if you are overwhelmed, confused, and just starting out, think me as a friend on this journey. So now let's talk about the biggest confusion beginner copywriter have. What's the real difference between landing page and sales page? When I first started copywriting, I was confused between sales page and landing page. I used to think that landing page is equal to sales page, but later I understood something important, that every sales page is a landing page, but not every landing page is a sales page.
A real example. So this is a Alice Cotoni website. This is and here you can see she's offering a freebie. When I click on it, notice what happens. They are not asking me to buy anything. They are asking me for my name and email address. This is called landing page. The goal of this page is not to sell. The goal is to collect information, usually an email in exchange for something free. So whenever a page asks for your email, sign up, download a free resources, that page is a landing page.
And the second difference between sales page and landing page is word count and length. A landing page is short and focused, around 200 words to 1000 words, and only one goal: sign up, download, and book. And sales page is long and detailed, around 1000 words to 5000 words, and used for paid courses, coaching, and membership. Now question is, why sales page is so long? Because sales page need to offer or need to explain the explain the offer and show the benefit and answer the objection, build a trust, and convince to someone buy.
Different example from the same website. This is Alice Cotoni latest coaching enrollment. Look, when I click here, notice the difference. This time, like click enroll now, this time they're asking for payment details like a Visa card or other payment options. This is a sales page. A sales page is where the actual sales happen. It's designed to convince you, explain the offer, and finally ask you to pay.
Types of landing page. Landing page can be used for many things: email opt-in, freebie challenges, and download pages for ebooks and PDFs, and appointments pages for book a call, and sign up pages for webinar and challenges. So now concluded, landing page has one action, it's short and gets your information, and sales page sells the products, it's long and focused on purchasing. Understanding this difference will help you write a better copy. So stop being confused as a beginner. So that's it for today's video, and in the next video I will explain a structure of the sales page step by step, so you will know exactly what section sales page needs and why. And as a beginner, what difficulty are you facing right now? Comment below, so I will research on that topic and make video on that topic to help you. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are learning copywriting step by step, so you are in the right place. And now bye, I'm freezing, so see you in the next video.